Greetings! Let's play a video in Unity. Firstly, you want to drag and drop a video file into your Unity project. Then, in your Assets folder, right-click, go to Create, go to Rendering, then go to Render Texture. Call it Vid Texture. Set the size of your texture to be the same dimensions as your video. In the hierarchy, right-click, go to Create Empty. Call it Video Object. Set the position to be 0, 0, 0. Click on Add Component. Search for Video Player and add the Video Player component. Set the source type to be Video Clip. Drag and drop your video clip into the Video Clip field. Keep Play on Awake ticked. Untick Wait for first frame. Tick Loop. Untick Skip on Drop. Then set the render mode to be Render Texture. Drag and drop your render texture into the target texture field. Then right-click in the hierarchy. Go to UI. Go to Canvas. Set UI Scale to be Scale with Screen Size. Set the reference resolution to be the same as the dimensions of your video. Click on the canvas. Right-click. Go to UI. Go to Raw Image. Call it Video. Set the width and the height of the raw image to be the same as the dimensions of your video. Then drag and drop your render texture into the raw image texture. Then save your work, click on the game, and then press play.
You've turned into a big-time villain, Doctor.
And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.